Hi, in this video, I'll show you how you can level up from a rookie animator to a pro. We'll go over how to find inspiration, references, master techniques, and design better compositions. I'll also share how I learned fast, plus a few tricks I picked up on my journey. If you're struggling with stiff poses, weak drawings, or rigid gestures, here are some solid tips that helped me. Number 1, daily sketching, at least 1 hour minimum. Start with gestures, drawing from real-life action or acting videos. Focus on movements, breakdowns, 30 seconds per pose, and capture key poses and breakdowns. This isn't about clean lines, it's about syncing your eye, brain, and hand to see the whole body in 3D very fast. Number 2, anime and Genga shoe study. Copy anime poses and cuts. Maximum 5 minutes per drawing. Learn the visual codes pros use to simplify reality. This builds your visual library and helps you think like a production animator. Number 3, perspective and backgrounds. Study from photos or draw from imagination. This strengthens your 3D sense, helps you place characters in believable spaces. And if you want to go a little bit deeper, you can study human anatomy. Here you can check muscles and skeleton basics, animal anatomy, and effects studies. This can be fire, smoke, water, and light. And last but not least, movie composition studies. You can do quick sketches, learn short design and color compositions. This study pack may sound classic, but it's super effective if you want to stay consistent. See you in the next one. Bye.